Tesla Model Y versus Cadillac Lyriq, a detailed comparison. Exterior. The Tesla Model Y adopts a minimalistic design aesthetic, characterized by clean lines and a lack of excessive ornamentation. Its exterior is simple yet sleek, with subtle curves and a modern silhouette. In contrast, the Cadillac Lyriq exudes a more luxurious and sporty vibe. It boasts a more intricate design with features such as an illuminated front grille, choreographed lighting elements, and pop-out door handles. Interior. Inside, the Model Y maintains its minimalist philosophy, with a spacious cabin dominated by a large touchscreen that controls most functions. While this minimalist approach appeals to some, others may find it lacking in traditional physical controls. The Lyriq offers a more traditional and luxurious interior, featuring physical controls for climate settings and other functions alongside a 33-inch curved LED display. This combination provides a balance between modern technology and tactile controls, which many drivers appreciate. Performance. The Model Y is renowned for its exceptional acceleration, particularly in the performance model. It delivers a thrilling driving experience with instant torque and rapid acceleration. While not quite as quick as the Model Y, the Lyriq still offers impressive acceleration, especially in its all-wheel drive variants. It provides a balance of performance and comfort, making it suitable for both spirited driving and leisurely cruising. Range. The Model Y offers a competitive range of up to 330 miles on a single charge. This makes it a practical choice for long-distance travel. The Lyriq also boasts a respectable range of up to 314 miles, ensuring that it can handle most daily commutes and occasional road trips. Technology. Tesla's advanced autopilot driver assistance system is available in the Model Y, and it can be upgraded to full self-driving capability for an additional cost. The Model Y also offers cutting-edge connectivity features and over-the-air updates. The Lyriq comes equipped with Super Cruise, a capable driver assistance system that allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways. It also offers a range of advanced technology features, including a premium audio system and wireless smartphone connectivity. Price. The Model Y starts at a slightly lower price point than the Lyriq, making it a more affordable option for those on a budget. The Lyriq is priced slightly higher than the Model Y, reflecting its more luxurious features and premium positioning. Overall, both the Model Y and the Lyriq are excellent electric SUVs, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Let's start with the Model Y. Its pros include exceptional acceleration, long range, advanced technology features, and a lower price point. However, it does have some cons, such as a minimalist interior, the lack of traditional physical controls, and potential build quality issues. Now for the Lyriq. Its pros are a luxurious interior, a comfortable ride, advanced technology features, and a good range. On the downside, it's slightly less powerful than the Model Y and comes with a higher price point. Additional considerations. Charging infrastructure. Both the Model Y and Lyriq benefit from extensive charging networks, but the Tesla Supercharger network offers more widespread availability and faster charging speeds. Brand reputation. Tesla has a strong brand reputation for innovation and technology, while Cadillac is known for its luxury and performance. Your preference may depend on your brand loyalty or desired driving experience. Personal preferences. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Consider factors such as your daily commute, driving habits, budget, and desired features. Beyond the basics. To make an informed decision, it's essential to delve deeper into specific details that may be important to you. Interior space. Both SUVs offer ample interior space for passengers and cargo, but the Lyriq may have a slight edge in terms of overall comfort and legroom. The Lyriq's rear seats are generally considered more spacious and comfortable, with ample legroom even for taller passengers. Infotainment systems. Both vehicles feature advanced infotainment systems, but the Tesla's system is generally considered more intuitive and user-friendly. The Lyriq offers a more traditional approach with physical controls, which some drivers may prefer. However, the Lyriq system is still highly capable and offers a wide range of features. Safety features. Both vehicles come equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The Model Y and Lyriq have both received high safety ratings from organizations such as the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Off-road capability. While neither vehicle is designed for extreme off-roading, both offer decent ground clearance and all-wheel drive options for light to moderate off-road adventures. The Model Y's all-wheel drive system is particularly effective in handling challenging terrain. Resale value Tesla vehicles generally hold their value well, but the Cadillac brand has a strong reputation for luxury and durability, which may also contribute to good resale value. Both the Model Y and Lyriq are expected to retain their value well over time. Additional factors driving dynamics. The Model Y offers a more sporty and engaging driving experience, with sharp handling and instant acceleration. The Lyriq, on the other hand, provides a smoother and more comfortable ride, making it better suited for long-distance cruising. Exterior styling. Personal preference plays a significant role in choosing a vehicle's exterior appearance. The Model Y's minimalist design may appeal to those who prefer a clean and uncluttered look, while the Lyriq's more ornate styling may be more appealing to those who appreciate luxury and sophistication. Battery technology. Both vehicles utilize advanced battery technology, but Tesla has a reputation for innovation in this area. The Model Y's battery pack is known for its efficiency and long-term durability. Charging network. Tesla's supercharger network offers more widespread availability and faster charging speeds compared to other charging networks. This can be a significant advantage for long-distance travel. Customer service. Both Tesla and Cadillac offer customer service support, but Tesla's customer service model is unique and may require some adjustment for new owners. Cadillac's customer service is generally considered more traditional and personalized. Additional insights. Range anxiety. While both vehicles offer competitive ranges, the Tesla supercharger network's extensive reach and faster charging speeds can help alleviate range anxiety for Model Y owners. Technology integration. The Model Y's infotainment system is highly integrated with Tesla's ecosystem, allowing for seamless control of various vehicle functions and access to Tesla-specific features. The Lyriq's infotainment system is also well integrated, but it may not offer the same level of deep integration with the broader Tesla ecosystem. Future updates. Both Tesla and Cadillac are known for their commitment to over-the-air updates, which can introduce new features and improvements over time. This means that both vehicles may evolve and gain additional capabilities in the future. Local incentives. Government incentives and tax credits for electric vehicles can vary by region. It's important to research any available incentives in your area to determine the total cost of ownership for each vehicle. Test drive. Ultimately, the best way to decide between the Model Y and Lyriq is to test drive both vehicles. This will allow you to experience their handling, performance, comfort, and overall driving dynamics firsthand. Consider factors such as acceleration, braking, steering response, and ride quality. By carefully considering these additional factors, you can make a more informed decision about which SUV best aligns with your individual needs and preferences. Test driving both vehicles is highly recommended to get a first-hand experience and determine which one you connect with most.